Hi all, I'm going to share my experience of my family outing with friends at Cauvery River Bank.
We got the same breakfast place.
On the way, we had breakfast at this place. This is the same place we had breakfast in our last year trip to Cauvery River Bank. You can check our last year trip video link in the description below. Everybody is having fun. After breakfast, we are now heading towards Cauvery River Bank, which is a few kilometers before Hogenakkal waterfall. Finally, we are at our final picnic spot. Everyone is enjoying this clean, fresh water flowing and beautiful scenic surrounding. Everyone had a good time today.
सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई इसी ख्याल में दीवानी हो गई सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई
After having some fun and playing with water, we start a barbecue.
ओके ये देखो इतना मछली पीयूष ने पकड़ के लेकर आया
इसके दर्शन भी कराए जाएं जरा।
वाह वाह वाह
वाह वाह वाह।
पानी एक बार डाला जाए
Now it's time to return back home and say bye to these naughty monkeys on the roadside. Hope they will be missing us now.